All right, so here's a taste test. These are the blueberry ones. You know what? This shit is actually pretty fucking good. So we're about to make some desserts right now. I saw it on Instagram. That's how I get my ideas. I just go to Instagram, boom, food page pops up on my newsfeed. Now I'm trying it, just like that. So what we got is some banana, nut, chocolate, and blueberry. I don't know. There's no flour involved whatsoever. There's bananas. There is peanut butter. There is cacao, and there are blueberries. I'm interested because I don't know, I haven't tasted a muffin without some gluten and some flour in it ever. And so I'm a little skeptical, okay? But, you know what I'm saying, I wanna try it out. So we have bananas, peanut butter, cacao, and blueberries. I'm gonna show you how I make it, taste it, let you know what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. And we're gonna put some walnuts in it too, because last time I had some banana muffins, they had nuts in them, and that was good. They didn't call for it, but I'm doing kind of what I want to do. So let's make, you know what I'm talking about. I mashed up some bananas in here. So we got this snot little looking textured thing right here. And then you take some of this peanut butter, and then you dump it in here. Bam, half a cup. It's supposed to be a cup and a half. And I'm just gonna, you know, kind of wing it. So I took the peanut butter, right? I dumped it inside of the banana mixture that I made. And then once I was done with that, you can also use different types of nut butter. So I use peanut butter because that's what we had. But if you want to use almond butter, cashew butter, it just called for a certain type of nut butter. So whatever you like the best, go for it. All right, so once I get done whipping and mashing and mixing all this together, you know, you have a little wrist action, as you can see there, to get it real folded in. You'll mix those ingredients and then dump half the mixture into a separate bowl, okay, as you see me do there. And then you'll take the cacao powder, because some of them are gonna be chocolate, and do a half a cup of cacao powder, and then that's gonna go into one of the mixtures. Now, this is gonna give you the chocolate peanut butter banana muffins, and then there is the blueberries on the other side. So, took the cacao powder, threw it in there, and then obviously you gotta whip it up, whip it around, and the consistency is pretty like batter-like, as you can see right here. It's kind of thick, but we'll fill these cupcake tins pretty well. So I was pretty surprised by the batter in general. And then we came over to the blueberry ones, dumped in a full carton, I think it's a full pint of blueberries, and just folded those guys in there. And that's pretty much the recipe. Oh no, I remember I added my own walnuts to it. So I just crushed them in my hands, as you see me doing here. And I threw some walnuts inside of the blueberry mixture. And then because I did it to that one, I made sure to throw the walnuts also in the chocolate mixture as well. Everything's organic. This is all, it's 4 ingredients and 1 ingredient I added, but 4 ingredient muffins. So here they are in the pan, even amount, about to go in the oven. All right, so that is the final kind of production before it goes into the oven. There's 6 of the blueberry ones and there's 6 of the chocolate ones. And we just gonna eat them. We're gonna put them in the oven and we're gonna try them. The batter was pretty good, even without having enough bananas, even without kind of like making my own little thumbed out recipe alongside the recipe. It still tasted good. So I'm excited. I'm actually pretty fucking thrilled to try these out. So stay tuned. We're coming soon. All right, so this is the final product right here. Boom.
I feel like this environment has...
All right, so here's a taste test. These are the blueberry ones. You know what? This shit is actually pretty fucking good. No cap. You know I'm not capping on here. Some shit nasty. I'm letting you know. This shit tastes like a smacking PB&J sandwich. No flour. Damn near healthy for you. Blueberries warm is my shit. Yeah, and some walnuts in there. Yeah. Blueberry ones, smacker. All right, second one. These are the chocolate ones right here. All right. Mm-hmm. They decent.
This
But because I didn't use enough bananas, I only used 5 bananas instead of 9. I think I should have used less cocoa powder because the chocolate is real rich, but it's not bad. Blueberries is number 1. If I would have used more bananas, I think this would fucking balance out better. But I made my own kind of thing up. These still smacking. These still smack. Blueberry number 1, but these still smacking. That's just good. This recipe gets a B+. B+ on the recipe, and I kind of made the own recipe, so I kind of fucked it up. So I'm giving the grade based on what I did. But yeah, yep, that's just smacking.